sweet spot. I'm feeling good. The sun is shining. I knew it would. The world's a playground. I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.
Won't see it on the 6 o'clock news. It's now waiting in the mail, addressed to you. It's getting harder and harder to see through the smoke. It's never been easier to
Isang watawat ng ating bansa, ang Pilipinas. Kumakatawan ito sa isang bayang nagkakaisa na sa bawat himaymay ay may angkop ng hugis na kabuuan. Isang pang-geograpikong sakop ng mga lupain na walang kabawasan. Isang republika, demokratiko, malaya at nagsasarili. Ito isang sagisag ng pambansang kalayaan.
Arise, my brother. I will now install you Worshipful Master of Silangan Lodge number 19. Very worshipful brother, Master of Ceremonies, reconduct him in front of the east. I now present you with this jewel of your station, the square.
You can't buy a ticket to it tonight.
Yes, to the newly installed Worshipful Master of Silangan Lodge number 19, very worshipful RCO Valeriano, as a past master of our Mother Lodge. And so also to all past masters of our lodge, we wish you good luck on steering Silangan Lodge number 19 to greater heights again. And we rest assured that we will be supportive to all your endeavors as the newly installed Worshipful Master of Silangan Lodge number 19.
The Brethren of Silangan Lodge number 19, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for your confidence in me to lead our lodge for the ensuing year. I will do my best to fulfill this mandate. Thank you.
Harder and harder to see what's true. It's never been easier when I'm with you. Yeah, it's harder and harder to doubt these days. But when I see the smile run across your face and the sunrise lights up another day,